My wife is taking a trip and she wanted to travel light, so we bought her this bag. Figured I'd walk through it real quick so you can see it. So you have the front pocket. The zipper is a really well made zipper. The stitching is really good. No complaints there. Got another smaller pocket. Actually, it's the same size. Would fit a book or something like that. The front pocket here would fit a laptop. This is actually, I believe, a wet storage, shoe storage compartment, but it doesn't come with instructions, so I don't really know. Opening up the main compartment, there's a lot of room. I think this would hold probably 3 days worth of clothing. I mean, obviously it depends on what the clothing is. You have a little zip pocket here with mesh, another pocket here, a pen or pencil holder. Maybe this is where a laptop would go. I'll be honest, I'm a little confused by this right here. Aha, so there's another compartment. That bag that we just looked at, you can enter from the bottom, and that's quite a bit of room. And then back on the inside, you have the back portion of it with another zipper area. And then this is for a USB charging bank that comes out on the side right here. Pretty ingenious planning there. Going to the side of the bag, you have these clips right here to hold everything together. You've got like a water bottle spot here with a stretchy band. The top carrying handle is really good, and it's got this mesh for breathability. The back, this is actually kind of like military style. This is what I used in the military. It looks very familiar. And then it has the mesh with pads. This is really thick padding. I like that. And then you have a secret, I believe this is the secret storage compartment here. The stitching on the straps is very well done, and the strap is pretty thick. Overall, I look at it from my background and I'm like, this thing is pretty solid. I like it. I think it's 16, it holds 16 and a half inches this way, 11.9 inches this way, and then expands to 7.9 inches this way, which fits most air travel compartments. I like it.